Would you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Ramon Leenders. I'm a community member of Concrete 5. I'm mostly known for creating block designer.
Nice. And many other add-ons.
And any other, indeed.
Cool. So it's finally nice to see the person who sells the most add-ons of the marketplace. So what do you do mainly?
Mainly I'm creating Concrete 5 websites, and when I'm creating those websites I mostly think of what could I be doing better, or what could I be doing to make a project go better next time. So that's how I first thought of block designer. So I was creating blocks all the time because Concrete 5 consists of blocks at every page. And that's why I created Block Designer, to improve my speed of creating Concrete 5 websites.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, because there was an add-on in 5.6 called
Designer Content.
Designer Content.
Yeah, by Jordan Lev.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. So okay, cool, nice. So what do you? So you already kind of already talked. What do you do with the Concrete 5? So you're mainly just using Concrete 5 for the job here?
Yeah, it's like 80%. I also do PSD to HTML and CSS conversion. So I have some agencies I get design from, and they want to translate it to a static HTML and CSS with Bootstrap or Foundation or no framework at all.
Okay.
So it's their choice.
Yeah.
What they want, and eventually they will implement WordPress or anything else that I don't do.
Yeah. Okay, cool, nice. So how did you get involved in the Concrete 5? So where are you from?
Where I'm from the Netherlands, Holland, next to Germany,
Okay.
for those who don't know. I first got introduced to Concrete 5 in 2013, I think. It's because I started at a company, they used it, Concrete 5, and I myself didn't use it before. I had another CMS I used, but I was very charmed with the inline editing and the blocks and how easy it was to build websites with it.
Yeah.
For all the content editors.
Yeah.
So I kind of fell in love with it. So.
Nice. So what has been your experience since 2013?
A lot of trial and error, of course. It was version 5.6, so it's quite a while ago, since we have version 8 now.
Version 8 still.
Yeah, version 8 still, version 9 coming up.
Yep.
Yeah, it was trial and error. It was easy to grasp. It's not a steep learning curve. So if you know PHP, then you can easily jump in and get going, create teams. Blocks may be a little bit more difficult, but yeah, that's why you have add-ons like Designer Content for 5.6. I use that a lot, and that's also why I created Block Designer.
Yep, cool. So why did you decide to come to the Portland this time?
I thought about it at first. I thought like, should I be going? But then I thought like, yeah, maybe I should be going, because there's a lot of community members I could meet from other parts of the world, like you, of course. And I've worked with people from Concrete 5 as well, like Evan and Andrew and Corvin for a project. And we've talked with Slack, we've chatted, we have had a good talk, and it's nice to get a live in-person talk with the person you've only heard on Skype or on Slack. So it's a good thing to actually see people, not just by using it on the forums, typing.
Yes, nice. So what are you looking for the future of Concrete 5, and what are you looking for yourself for the future?
I see a lot of things happening right now with web development, and the biggest change is single page applications, so Vue.js and AngularJS. I do think it's going that direction, and you see more or less things already happening. because they are implementing an API, and for version 8.5, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's going that direction with APIs and SPAs. So
cool. All right. How about yourself?
Myself, I'm also going to work with AngularJS. I'm going to start at a company. I only have my own company right now, but I'm doing that next to my new job. I'm starting in 9 days now.
Cool. Well, maybe by the time I publish this.
Yeah, by the time you published it.
Maybe you already start working on it. Okay. All right. Cool. Well, I hope to see you again.
Next year.
Next year, hopefully. But maybe I'm going to the Amsterdam too.
Yeah, well, it would be cool to meet you there.
Yes. All right. Cool. So thank you very much.
Thank you too. Thanks.